Just, I think this gonna burn my mouth. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you're a returning family member, welcome back. So in my last video, I mentioned something about I had like different kind of snacks in a box that I had. So like this is the box right here. It has all kinds of different, well, I don't want to say all kinds of different kind of snacks in it. It has, I think, like 7 different flavors, like a type of chips, and plus I got this right here. It also came in, which is a type of jerky, turkey jerky, 100% turkey jerky. I don't think I tried this before, so I might end up trying this on camera. I don't know. I do know I want to open up this package with you guys and hopefully like try them and see how y'all coming out. Okay, this one of them right here. Pop kernels. I think, yeah, I tried this one before. Sweet and salty kettle corn. I tried this before. I tried that one before. I know I definitely tried this before. And I seen this one in the store. I seen them like in Dollar Tree. I think they got them in like Walmart also. This one is white cheddar. The next one is sea salt. Just coming off like a type of blue. It's like a greenish color. The next one is spicy queso. I think that's how you pronounce it. Has like chilies on it. And the next one is sweet cheddar. Packaging this one was pretty. It's like a purplish red, or red purple. That one look hot also. And the final one that's different here is sour cream and onions. So that's how that one. That's how that one there looks. I actually do like sour cream and onions. So, like I said, it's pop kernels. I mean corners, pop corners. Let me see, the crunchy and wholesome popcorn snack. That's what all of them like said at the top. Like I said, I seen these two like in the store, especially like Dollar Tree. I haven't seen the other 4 like in the store or nothing like that. I haven't seen them in the store. At least I don't think I've seen them like in the store. Like I said, I got these from offline. And I thought it was like nice to actually try other different flavors of them. So, yeah. These what the other ones look like again. This the sea salt one. And this is the sour cream and onion one. And this is the sweet chili one. That one's probably spicy. Maybe it's kind of sweet, but it looks like this spicy. And this is what the last one looks like. Well, not the last one. This was spicy quesa, however it's pronounced. That one. That's how that one. I like the packaging on all of them. All of them different. And this one is white cheddar. And this is sweet and salty corn.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and try these. Or at least try the four that I haven't tried before. Like I said before, I do like these two. Out of both of them, I don't know which one I like more, but I would recommend these two.
I'm going to go ahead and, let me see. Let's try the sea salt. Let me try this one first. Out of the four. Like I said, I like the packaging. To me, it smells like popcorn. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. But this is what it looks like. Look just like the packaging. I do taste the salt in it. That one tastes okay. It's not salty or nothing. Well, at least to me. At least this one not. To me, it's not too salty. It's not salty. It's just a sea salt one. It tastes okay. I mean, I do taste the sea salt in it, but like I said, it tastes okay. I'm gonna taste these spicy ones and get those out the way. I'm gonna taste this one right here next. Spicy quesa. How this pronounced? Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I definitely like the packaging of this one. This one smells okay. I do smell like the spice on it. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if I got to see, like, it's like a, kind of like a Dorito a little bit, but it looks like popcorn. Or those rice cakes. This would just remind me of. You just see like the spice on it, so let me try this one. Okay. That one's, I have to taste, I mean, it's got like an ending, a spicy ending of it. And it tastes like spicy dip cheese. And then you have like a little dip where you dip them in and eat it. To me, that's what it tastes like, except it's on like a popcorn chip thing. But like I said, it tastes alright. The spices hit me, especially like the ending of it, the spices hit me. That one tastes okay. That's it. If you into spices, I'll say you probably will like that one. Especially if you like cheese and the dip that goes with tortillas. The next one is sweet chili. I think this gonna burn my mouth. I really do think this one gonna burn my mouth. Yeah, this one smells just like nothing but like chili. I mean, it don't smell bad, but this one smell like it's going to like burn my mouth. Okay, this is what this one looks like. It has a whole lot of spice on it. I mean, like, you guys can't like see the whole lot of spice that's on it on camera, but and it also looks like it has like the sugar on it to like give it that sweet taste. I hope this one doesn't burn my mouth, but like I said, that name, so it's gonna burn my mouth. Yeah. That one, it tastes good. I actually do taste the sweetness of it. Yeah, like I said, that one tastes good. It's like half sweet, half spice. It's like a 50-50. I like that. It, like, the sweetness doesn't overwhelm the spice of it, and the spice doesn't overwhelm the sweetness of it. It actually tastes good. So, like I said, I like that one. That one actually. And the next one I'll be trying is this one here, sour cream onion. I guess it got that sour cream smell. That light sour cream smell. This one you can't really tell that it has something on it. It looks like it's plain, but in like real time it actually has like the sour cream stuff on it, so. This one tastes good too. I like this one. This one actually tastes good, even though it has like that light smell of like sour cream onion. I actually like that one. That one tastes pretty good. I'm gonna try these on camera for y'all guys. I haven't tried them in a while, and what I mean by a while, it been probably, I said probably been like over 6 months. No, it's been more than that. I think it's been probably like a year and a half to 2 years since I actually tried these. So I'm gonna try those for on camera for you guys to like remember how, like, I mean, I know what it tastes like, and I do remember that I like them. I want to actually put in the category of which one I like more out of all of them and bring back like the taste of it. I don't know if that part makes sense to you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try the white cheddar. I definitely like that blue. The blue hitting. I definitely like the packaging of this one. Doesn't really have like a scent to it. Excuse me. This is what it looks like. I mean, like in person, to see that it has like the flavor on it. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. I definitely remember. This one is the last one that I'm gonna try out. Like I said, I tried this one before. This one and this one, I had tried them out like at well, I got them from Dollar Tree before when I first tried them. This one is the sweet and salty kettle corn, so I'm gonna try this one out. The packaging on this one, it has that like classic red background of it. Kind of got that that sweet, kind of sweet smell of it. This is what it looks like right here. I mean, you can't really see any like flavoring on it. I mean, it has like that sweet, like flakes or something like that. Sweet, like sugar flakes, salty flakes on it. I definitely remember this flavor now, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep, I definitely remember that flavor. I do enjoy that one. So out of all of them, which one I like more? I'll say I like the sweet and salty kettle corn, then the white cheddar, then the sour cream and onion. Those like the top 3 out of all 6 of them. And let me see, the sweet and the sweet chili one, that one coming fourth. And I'll say like the spicy queso and sea salt, I'll say they equal. Yeah, I say they equal. Like I said, spicy queso, it tastes like a dipping sauce to me. Like a spicy dipping sauce, like you could eat on like a game night on Sundays or something like that. But it does taste good. The sea salt, it tastes, I have to taste the sea salt on it a little bit. It tastes like it has salt on it and whatnot. But anyway, you guys, thank you for joining me on another video trying out popcorners. That was my snacks snack pack with like 6 different flavors. 4 of them I haven't tried before. I didn't know they had so many different flavors by popcorners. Tastes like popcorn, and like I said, it has like different flavors, and it has like 130 calories per bag. Actually pretty decent. Like, do I know if it's in like the stores or not? Like I said, 2 of them is in the stores. The sweet and salty kettle corn is in the store, and the white cheddar one is in the store. I don't know if the other 4 are like in the store. You could actually buy it like a convenience store or Walmart or whichever your store that you shop at a whole lot. Like I said, I don't know if they have the other 4 in there. Like I said, it has these 2, definitely these 2 flavors in there. Anyway, you guys, I love y'all guys. Thanks for coming back, watching me try out snacks, and I will talk to y'all guys later. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. The links for that to be down in the description box as always. And the link to my vlog channel will be down in the description box. That'll be the first link that's down in the description box. And I have a podcast. I know I haven't been on it lately. I've been taking like a little long break from there. That's on like several different platforms, so go check that out and check out like the different episodes. It's on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts. The links for that will be down in the description box. And I will catch y'all guys in a different video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Especially if you like seeing like different kind of foods that's out there. Me trying different kind of snacks, foods, and cooking. Different kind of things to be happening on this channel. So anyway, guys, I will check y'all guys out. And like I said, I love you guys. Peace.